Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So as you see in here, what the market given us here, same thing, nothing was changed, guys. Even if we zoom it like that, what you see in there, that candle is staying here. And that's what me I told you in the last video. I told you it's going to stay here for some time because as you know, Saturday and Sunday, there is no volume in the market. And the majority of big players of the market, they are out. But here it's indicating the market is still in a downtrend. And here, as you see, the volume is very, very dry. So there is nothing yet confirmed. It's only about the war and the things we don't want to mention it here. And here we stay in the same level as you see it. So there is nothing new here. And by the way, there is a lot of people that criticize me, but why me I'm saying guys, friend. Me I'm saying those words because it's like respect. I don't want to call you because as you know here in UK, for us that word, dude, mad and those things, they are not good. And us, we don't say it. And the people they saying those words, they are what can we say? People of the street. Also, we are not people of the street, guys. That way, me, I'm calling you my friend or guys. It's like a respect. But if you want me to be a gangster with you, it's okay. I will be a gangster. So that way, I call you my friend and guys. I'm sorry to make the things here. So there is nothing new here, guys. So the only thing, as you see it here, no volume. And now let's go into see our indicators, what they're saying. For the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we are a special YouTube channel only about trading. Every day we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin, guys. Every day 2 videos. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. It's very simple. It will not take you even 1 second, my friend. Alright, button down, click at it. It will become green. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. Go ahead and join it. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. You done it? Welcome to the family. Let's see our indicators, guys, what they're saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, it came here out. And I'll show you all those things before. Even if we zoom it a little bit like that, as you see it now, what it's indicating, it came out from that wall, and that indicating the trend line here, it's still very stronger, guys. Now I think it's going to go down. Let's wait till Monday what the market is going to bring to us. And tomorrow the weekly candle is going to finish. So we're going to see how it's going to finish. I think everything is too clear here. By the way, I know you are a subscriber. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it. Smash the like button, writing for us down a comment, helping us, guys. You know that channel without you guys, it can grow up. Helping us, guys. It's very simple. Just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, say anything. Just criticize or say anything. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, nothing was changed here. And also we say those things thousands of times. We said here, we got here a divergence. We pushed that price that much. But also here in the daily, we are not going to enter, guys. As I tell it to you before, the price action is that one. It hasn't break, so also we are not going to enter because that indicator is just an oscillator, guys. That's why me I told you every time, don't base your trading about indicators. As you see it, guys, look here, look at that zone here when it started entering at the oversold area from here, from 30k, guys, till where? Till 17k, guys. That too much of losses, guys. So the people they enter based on the indicator when it's enter at the oversold area, they enter from 30k till where? Till 17k, guys. If they're using margin, a margin call is going to call them. That's why also we said every time you need to enter only when there is a price action, guys. The price action here, where is it? Look at it here. It's being the double triple bottom, guys. When it's breaking, you can enter here till here. Yes, you enter late, but you enter in safe side, guys. And here now, where is the price action? Is that one. It hasn't broken yet. It might. The same thing what happened here from 30k to 17k. That one is going to stay here at the oversold area to fall down till 10k, guys. That's why I told you it's not yet. It's still early, guys. I think everything is too clear. Now let's go into see 4 hours, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you and to know what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, as you seen, that level as we show you before, the one we have it here in my chart, it's still very stronger here, as you see it. But that candle which is going now, it's showing like it tried to break it. That candle, it's left for it 1 hour and 30 minutes. So it's still early for us to say that a breakout. And as you remember us here, we said we enter short because of that double top, that candle here we entered. Till now we're still waiting, guys. And me I tell it to you, I tell you it's going to fall down maybe till here, till down here. That's what me I told you in the last videos. You can even go back and watch them. And I told you here in the 4 hours what you have here, you're doing like that from, look at me, from here, from that peak of that candle, you're drawing a line like that, a trend line or an uptrend line, and you came up to those ones and you're doing like that. You got a triangle, guys, yes or no? Now, if that one break here, you need to make a close eye at that triangle, guys. If that one break in here, in that level, you're going to see the Bitcoin going down till here, till 18K, guys. If it's not, if it stay here, just here, you're going to see it making a correction upward, then after that, it's going to drop. And that me, I think in personal is going to make a correction upward, then after that is going to drop. Because Monday is coming, and you know what else we've been saying about Monday. Every time Monday doing against what the trend doing, guys. The trend, you are in a downtrend. Forget about those ones. Focus it with me just from here. You are in a downtrend, yes or no? But in Monday, the market is going to come to make a reverse up for those big players. They will enter from here. Not the market makers, what they do. They're pushing the price up. For small investors who don't know nothing about the market, they were thinking the Bitcoin it will go higher. But them, they will push it down, guys, from that level maybe. Everything is too clear, guys, here. And here in my chart, what I got me. Let me show it to you. As you see it, we don't got something special here. The only thing, if you see that candle which is going now in that level, it's showing a rejection there, as you see it. So that yellow level here, also we have, it's still very, very stronger level. And those candles, they indicating that, or it might that one is just a resting. Then after that, it's going to go up. Then after that, there is a big drop, guys, coming. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go to see our indicators, what they say for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it. Helping us, guys, smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Let's go now to see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, what it's saying here. Same thing, it's saying it's resting, guys. But us here, we are in the control of the bears, guys. There is no bull controlling now. There is no people want to buy. As I tell it to you, maybe after that resting, because look at it. If you came here to that zone like that, and you're drawing a line like that, look at here, here, and here. And now you are in it, guys. Same level as we got in the chart, you got it here. I told you maybe from here it's going to go up a little bit. Then after that, there is a big drop coming, guys. A big drop is coming, guys. Make close eye at it. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So now what the trend is telling you here, guys. You go in daily, you find yourself, you are in a downtrend. Here in the 4 hours, you are in a downtrend. So what that indicating to you, guys? You are in a downtrend. In the monthly, you are in a big downtrend. In the weekly, you are in a big downtrend, guys. And I'm going to show you tomorrow the weekly what it's saying, guys. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notifications. So when also we put in a new analysis for you, the Bitcoin, you're going to be notified, my friend. It's very simple. It's very, very, very simple. It will not take you even 1 second, my friend. A red button, click at it, it will become green. Next to it, a bell to read to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family. Now, let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. That one, guys, as you see it, we be in here at the overbought area. Yes or no? Here. And what we said, you are in a very stronger level here. A very stronger supply and demand zone. Second thing, price action, you got the double top. When it's breaking, also we enter. Now we are in profit, guys. Did it reach to the oversold? Not yet. It's still early, guys. So wait, when it came here, also we're going to take the profit, guys. I told you it might go and make a correction up, but don't be scared, guys. It's going to fall down. Tell the oversold area, guys. That's the power of our analysis, guys. Also, we don't copy from other people or something like that. Also, we give you our pure analysis, guys. Also, we analyze for you as if also we're going to enter in the market, guys. That's the difference between us and other people. Also, we are professional people. That's the job of us. Other people, majority of them, they just copy from each other, guys. That's the difference here. Everything is too clear, guys, here. And here in the 4 hours, what you got? Let me show it to you. I showed it to you before, but it's okay to repeat it for picture to be more clear to you, guys. If we said, also we said before, we're connecting those dots, guys. Yes or no? You remember those dots? I'll draw them now with green. We said we came here and we drawing a line like that. And we came down here and we drawing a line like that. What that indicating to you? That is a triangle, guys. Yes or no? Now, if the Bitcoin came and breaking here up, here, you enter long. And that one is very, very, very rare to happen. But me, I'm just telling you, if something happen and me, I don't put a video, if it's breaking here, you enter long, guys. Take profit. Where is going to be? Here. The last high. But me personally, I think now we are going to go to touch that lower here, guys. Because that one, as you see it, it's going down. And yes, you are here in that level. You are in a stronger level. Now you need to wait in that market to break it. You need to make a close eye at that level where you are. I show it to you in the 4 hours. I show it to you in the daily. That level here, you need to make a close eye at it. Is it in the chart? And is it here in our indicator, guys? Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes. And if there is a signal, we will enter in it for tomorrow or Monday, guys. So let's go into 30 minutes, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in the last video, what did I told you here? I told you if it give you here a head and shoulder, you enter long. It finish and it give you there a head and shoulder, yes. It breaking the last of it or the neckline? No, my friend. It doesn't. So we don't enter. That's the power of our analysis, guys. Look what it give you here now. It give you here like a wedge, guys, or a triangle, as you see it. Now what you need to do? To waiting if it's breaking higher, guys. Why? I'm going to show you why. Because our indicator is it at the oversold area, guys. But also we're still talking only here. Level, you are in a very, very stronger level. I'll show it to you in daily, in the 4 hours. And even here in 30 minutes, I got the same level here. Couldn't break it, guys. It's our indicator. What it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, as you see it, it's still here at the oversold area, guys. Now, what else we looking here at 30 minutes? I'm talking here about scalpers, guys. Scalpers and day traders. We are here at the oversold area. Price action. We got one price action. I'll show it to you now. Let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you guys. What you see in here? You came here to those dots. Those ones and those ones here, you connecting them like that. What the market give you here? A triangle or a wedge. Names doesn't matter, my friend. Most important to know how to trade them. You waiting if it's breaking higher here, you enter long, guys. Take profit where it need to be here at that peak here. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you in the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now, guys.